Hi, I'm Hunter, a local CSR representative at Genius Phone Repair. Today we're in the lovely Battelle Park and we're going to be showing you guys out about the FitBit Versa Lite. Now follow me and we'll check out some of these cool features. Hey guys, I just want to let you know the first thing you want to do when you get your Fitbit is to download that FitBit app on your cellular device. Once you have that, it will unlock a bunch of features for you. The three major ones are going to be that step counter, the water intake tracker, then also just a daily fitness tracker that will update you constantly throughout the day, letting you know how you're doing in your fitness goals. Now with that health tracking app, it's going to help you keep track of the things that you want it to keep track of. It'll ask you the questions like, are you trying to achieve a better sleeping pattern? Are you trying to eat less? Are you trying to drink more water? Or are you just trying to achieve a better all fitness overall? Now, when you answer these questions, it's going to put together a little profile and a little fitness plan to help you reach those goals daily and feel like a successful person. All right, guys, so the Fitbit app, you're going to open it up and this is your home page on it. Down below, it's going to show you how long you've been working out for the week, ask you some questions of how are you sleeping, are you moving each day. Here you're going to be able to see how your heart rate is tracking and what type of zone you're in, being it the fat burning zone, the resting zone, or the extreme stress zone. It's also going to have a daily tracker of your weight and also how much water you've been taking during the day. That water tracker that I keep on bringing up is very important for those of you that are trying to track that water intake throughout the day to make sure that you're staying hydrated while you're being active. It's going to help make sure that you drink your required amount of water for what you're trying to do. All of those questions are asked in the Fitbit app and also answered in the Fitbit app. Fitbit Versa Lite comes with a lot of on-device features. You simply click the button on the side of it, swipe to your left, and you're going to be able to access your exercise features, your alarms, the relax feature, which I use daily, weather checkups, and also some timers, settings, and tips. Woo! I sure am tired, but I did enjoy showing you guys out about that Fitbit Versa Lite. Now I'm going to head back to the store and get back at it. So we're back here at the Genius store. It was once again so much fun taking you guys out to the park, showing you that Fitbit Versa Lite and all the amazing features as it has. I'm Hunter and I hope to see you guys again next week at another Great Tech Tuesday.